Looking for a mechanical keyboard that combines sleek design with pro-level performance? Meet the Keychron C3 Pro, your next upgrade. It's packed with hot swappable mechanical switches, so you can customize the feel of every keystroke. Whether you love clicky, tactile, or linear switches, this keyboard adapts to your style. The vibrant RGB lighting isn't just for show. With endless customizable effects, your desk setup will look as good as it performs. Built with an aluminum frame, the C3 Pro feels sturdy and premium. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows, with all the shortcuts you need right out of the box. If you're serious about your typing or gaming experience, the Keychron C3 Pro delivers unmatched quality at its price. Once you try it, you won't want to type on anything else.